Hi guys, James here at Riviera Automotive, doing you a walk around video on this stunning 2016 Porsche 911 Carrera S. So let's have a look. The bodywork on the car is nice and bright, guards red. The alloys, great condition. This car has just arrived as a part exchange. Tyres are very, very good on it as well. Down the side of the car, no dents, no scratches. Obviously with a car that is coming up now 7 years old. Now there will be some age-related marks on the car, but no major dents, no major scratches. The alloys, as you can see, are perfect. It does have the sliding panoramic roof. Does have a black pack as well, which makes this car really stand out. Really tidy around the back. Again, another alloy, perfect condition. Tyres excellent. Down the side to the front, again excellent tyres, alloys unmarked. Round the front, to be fair, just have a little polish before it goes out, but there's no major stone chips, no major marks on the car at all. Do have 2 keys for the car. But inside we have the black leather and we have the red matching trim. The car has done 37,500 miles. It does have full Porsche service history as well, sports chrono. For any more details of this great car and to secure it, please speak to the sales team. Thank you.